So today we're going to learn on how natural resources are cycled through our environment and about the different types of natural resources. Ever wonder where we're getting all the materials for our products and packaging? It's from nature called natural resources. Natural resources are materials that are supplied by nature. They are renewable resources. They're replaceable items that will keep coming back as long as we treat them properly. Examples: when we cut down trees for paper, we can always replant new trees and get more paper. That is a renewable resource. A non-renewable resource, meaning finite, meaning limited, cannot be replenished by natural process. Once we use them, they're gone forever, such as fossil fuels, gasoline, and oil. Group the following resources into two groups: renewable and non-renewable. As you can see here, the renewable resources are circled in red, and the non-renewable resources are just sitting. What will happen in the future if we use our renewable resources without replacing them? If they are not replaced as fast as they are used, we will run out of them. As you can see in this picture, all the trees have been cut off, meaning it would lead to deforestation. And overfishing is an example of overusing our renewable resource. According to the graph below, how will the fish population be affected by human impact due to overfishing? Over here, the graph, as you can see, since 1950 to 2000, the total amount of fish caught in million tons has increased gradually over time, meaning we are using more resources than we can replenish. What will happen in the future if we keep using our non-renewable resource? We will run out of them because there's a finite amount of them. Once they are gone forever, such as oil. Which products should you buy? Oreo wrappers or a box of animal crackers? Why we should buy the box of animal crackers. Why? Because of petrochemicals, meaning because plastics are made of fossil fuels. You can see the outside wrapper of these are made out of plastic. How can we prevent the depletion of our natural resources? The three R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Recycling. Every time a new product is made, new resources are used. This is why we think companies should use as much recyclable content in their products as they can. This prevents new resources from having to be used. Reduce. Although paper is renewable and can be recycled, it doesn't mean we can waste it. As important as recycling is, it still uses natural resources. The trucks that pick up and transport recycled products still use energy like fossil fuels to collect them, and fossil fuel is also needed to process or melt the materials. We need to reduce our use of natural resources. And reuse. We need to start treating the environment like a library. Borrow items and bring them back, no worse for the wear. The summary. You can pause the video here and try to classify each of these items into a renewable or non-renewable source. And that's all for today.